Hellen is my name. I'm a student at FXKampala. I came to know about FXKampala from a friend and some YouTube videos. I've been trading for some time, but I've been losing a lot. So that's why I came to FXKampala to gain more knowledge about forex trading and to perfect my techniques in forex trading. It has helped me a lot because I came here knowing nothing. Like I used to watch YouTube videos, but it had a lot of information, so I wasn't specific about which information I should use. So it helps me to know more about the market trends and the techniques, the good techniques I'm supposed to use in the market. First, I used to lose a lot, but I learned the technique of risk management. I learned the technique of support and resistance, some indicators to use which are good, and some technical techniques which they have helped me a lot to gain right now. First is the one-on-one teaching. The person is on one person. The teacher is on one person. They don't leave anyone behind. So it has helped us, specifically me, because I'm a slow learner, but it has helped me to gain more, like to get more information, because you have one teacher and few students. I'm most proud of my consistency in trading, and my profits are now consistent, because recently I was losing a lot, and the stop losses, I could fidget on the stop losses that take profits, but now I'm consistent in my profits.